Hello. Today we are taking another unexpected break from Halloween because a package arrived that I have been waiting for forever. I pre-ordered this a year ago and it's finally here and I'm very excited. Oh, I also redid my Halloween nails. These glow in the dark. Very cute. So I pre-ordered this item a year ago and it's finally here and I'm so excited. I've even avoided people's showing of it because I wanted to be surprised myself, but it's here. So we're going to do a live opening of it together, a live unboxing, because I have not seen what it looks like up close. I again have skipped all of those videos of the people that did receive it, and I'm very excited. And I will say, I kind of forgot that I had ordered it, and I was also on the fence of whether it was even something that I wanted, but it's definitely a collector's item, and I know that they hold a lot of value, and also I just think it's going to be so cute. So I'm excited to see. Oh my gosh, they really boxed this up. So it's a box within a box, but it's making this, you hear that noise? So I'm a little worried about that. I don't know what that sound is. We're gonna find out together. Oh, I'm gonna take it out of the box because it's still in additional wrapping. It's the TRXIE doll. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where I'm gonna put her. We're gonna slowly reveal it together. It says now with moving parts. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh, she is so beautiful. Oh my god, the hair. Oh, it's a silica packet. Oh my god, thank god. I was like, what the hell is this noise? There's a silica packet in it. Let me turn off the light so you can really see it for all it is. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's stunning. Oh my gosh. I'm going to open up the box so you can see. But this is from Integrity Toys, who are the ones that did the RuPaul doll. And they do some other higher end dolls. Oh god, can I get this stupid silica packet out? It's taped in there. Ew. That's one gross thing, is it's taped in there. So there's just this nasty did it leak in there? Or is there more than just that packet? Because that noise really scares me. Oh, it's because one of the packets exploded. Gosh, I gotta make sure the dogs don't eat this. Shit. There's another silica packet in the back. And this is the noise I was hearing. They're all collected in there. No. Yeah, so that's kind of gross that it has that piece of tape, because I feel like it ruins the integrity of the the box for display. Can I get this off easily? I would have much rather it had been floated in there loosely. Ugh, it's so hard to take off. I can't get it off. There's got to be a way, but let's just explore it a little bit more until then. Well, what I did notice on the back, and releasing those balls, is that you do get an extra set of hands and earrings, and then there's the stand that has the TRXIE heart logo. Cute. It's a nice acrylic stand. It's really cute. Okay, let's get this back in the box. So she is, I believe, 15 inches tall. Oh my god, she's so cute. And she comes... Sorry, I'm trying to get the box back in here. Jeez. Okay. So here's what she looks like. Oh my god, she's so cute. So she's... this set is hands is obviously the guitar playing ones, but they're fully articulated. There's a point of... There's a joint right there. I was going to say a point of armature, but I don't know if that's the proper term. But there's a joint there at the wrist, so the wrists move, and she's, holding her guitar. And then you have her 3 albums on the side here. So you've got One Stone Trixie, 2 Birds, and then I think that's maybe a self-titled album. You got little mini vinyls there, so cute. And it's the sleeve and the actual record in there. I'm like wanting to see them up close, but I don't want to take them out of the packaging. But she's beautiful. She has real eyelashes. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can tell from that angle. Real eyelashes. I mean, look at the volume of that hair. It's even in a hair net to hold it in place. She's got this super cute satin floral dress. She's wearing tights. And then has, of course, her platform boots. And these are fabric. They're fabric boots. They're not even just like molded plastic. They're fabric. I wonder if she fits like normal size Barbie clothes, because her boobs are pretty big. Oh my god, she even has, I'm gonna get blocked. She has nipples. She has nipples. Oh my god. She's beautiful, honestly. I will say, like, her nose highlight isn't as extreme as it is in real life, but she is so cute there. And I mean, of course, yeah, they didn't capture like the contour of her face as perfectly. They didn't capture like her contour like so dramatically, but she is so pretty. Just like look at her face there. How beautiful is that sculpt? I love. And it's so detailed. I mean, she has nail polish on, and look at her little individual, like you can see the shapes of the nails. It's not just like a little piece of paint. She is stunning. Look at that collarbone. Oh my god. So cute. I love it. Again, I can't get over the fact that the boots are fabric. I hate that this piece of tape is here, and I'm really trying to get it off, and I just can't. And I don't want to like use like, oh, it just looks so nasty. Look at it. Oh. I've been searching like crazy trying to figure out how to get the damn adhesive off of the box, and I can't find any clues. Everybody is taking her out of the box. I am not an out of the box collector, okay? She's gonna get dusty and dirty, and we're not here for it. Please, if any of you by chance see this and know how to get the gunk off the box, please tell me, because it just ruins the value of her. Like, what is that spot? It's so ugly. I need help, please. I wish that they'd just use like that gummy stuff that you get on like mailers. It's like it's coming off, but it stained the box. And I'm afraid to like put rubbing alcohol on it and then like it destroy the box, because she's definitely gonna be kept in the box. She's a collector's item. I don't plan on having her on display like out of the box. And I know some people get like multiple dolls so they can have one out of the box and one in the box, but that's not me. It took forever, but I finally got the glue off, except it did leave a crease in the box, and I'm like, hello, damage. That's okay. I'll try to get off that adhesive because it looks so gross, but she's beautiful. I will say, like, so she's not available for purchase anymore. She was a pre-order item, so again, I ordered her like a year ago. They were all custom made. Oh my god, she even has, it's a jumper, or is it chorness? I think it's chorness. Oh my god, she even has underwear on. She's so classy. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see it past the guitar. She has underwear. I love her. She's beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's got a little belt on and everything. Oh my god, I love her. She's so pretty. And so this is the back. It says, oh honey, world famous drag queen and skinny legend TRXIE is here. Oh, she's 12 inches of vinyl and hard plastic, now with moving parts that lets you pose and pose and pose for hours of unbelievable fun. With her 60s inspired fashion, accessories, luxurious blonde hair, and gorgeous makeup, she's just like the real TRXIE. Whether you're filming a makeup tutorial, writing songs for a new album, or creating a sickening new blush palette, the TRXIE doll by Integrity Toys is sure to be your best Judy. And then there's a picture of her posing with the doll, and then of course the real life TRXIE. How cute. I'm excited. I need to figure out where I'm going to put her on display. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. I'm happy I got her. I was like, again, really hesitant. Like, Do I need her? Do I want her? But I love her. She's so pretty. This is the first like Integrity Toys doll I've ever owned. But I think it's so high quality. I can see why the price point is where it is, because I want to say like you had to put down a $35 deposit and then the remaining was due at time of shipment. Oh my god. It's a good thing you guys can't see me because my boob is literally all the way out in this crop top. You had to put down a $35 deposit and then the balance was due before, like once they were produced. And I think it was like $115 plus tax, so she came out to like $170, I think. Oh my god, which is crazy for a doll. But I mean, like when you think about it, like I get the Monster High dolls all the time, the collector ones, and those are like $90. The Barbie, the special edition, the Los Muertos one, that one was $100. So like, you know, and that's Mattel, which is a huge corporation, and this was a very limited batch. I think there's only 1,000 of them that went into production. She's beautiful. I have no way of confirming that, actually. I might have just made that up. So it definitely is going to keep her on display like this. Does it have a number? No. No. It doesn't. I don't know how many of these were actually made. But beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, all of the words. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I love it. This box is so pretty. Yeah, mad about that little glue spot there. Gonna have to figure out how I can get it off because it's so ugly, but she is so pretty. Definitely a win. Again, I apologize for this interruption on Halloween. Was not expecting it to come in. I knew it had shipped, like, because they did it in batches, and I was like one of the last batches that got sent out, and so it was like, okay, pay your invoice by this certain date and then we'll have them shipped out. But I paid it like not even last week. When was the 7th? Like Friday? So it literally shipped that fast. And I will say, like, one thing I was like, ugh, is that even after paying the reservation fee and the balance, you still have to pay shipping, and the shipping on it was like $30. Not that much. It was like 17, 18. It was kind of pricey. I will say, like, if I wanted to be a super nitpicky doll collector, which I'm not, like the plastic, I don't think you can see it. There's a bunch of, oh yeah, you can see it there. There's a bunch of little scratches. So it's not like perfect. But I think she's beautiful. One of the only things that I will complain about is, again, that little, like, that was bad placement. But I think she's beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, and you can see why the shipping was so much. Like, it was double boxed. And these will be good boxes for me to save for the future. I wish it showed you how many were like made. Like if it had that symbol that said like amount, number this out of this. But stunning, gorgeous, love the TRXIE doll. Again, we'll get back to Halloween. I'm editing a video because I know I'm a day behind. I'm editing a video of more outside decorations I put up, and hopefully that'll go out tonight. But here's TRXIE in the meantime. She's beautiful. There's only like 5 of you that watch these videos, but did anybody else get her? What do you guys think? What are your thoughts? Why did they put that there? I'm not going to get over that, but she's beautiful. And I don't know who else would get a doll like this, but I like get one made. But definitely invest in it if it's somebody worth it. But you know, TRXIE is admittedly, she's not my favorite queen. My number one queen is Alyssa Edwards. And then I'd say it's like Alyssa and then Shanj. I love Shanj. And then I'd say Alyssa, Shanj, and Katya. And then probably TRXIE. I know Katya, and then Sharon, and then TRXIE. So she's like top 5 for me. Love it. I still think that I wanted Kennedy to win season 3 of All Stars, but I'm just a hater. But she's so beautiful and, like, honestly, a legend. So talented, so amazing. She's great. Look how pretty this is. Okay, I gotta find out where to put it in my room. She has to have a big display. Love it. Yeah, these are expensive. Again, it was like $160, probably like $170. But I did appreciate that you like had time, like you just did your deposit and then you had time to figure it out afterwards. I think she's gorgeous, and it's definitely such a collector's piece. Like, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Gorgeous girls spend way too much money on collectible dolls. I'm claiming it. I love her. Alright, you guys. Sorry again for that brief Halloween interruption. We'll get back to it tonight. Tonight and then we'll be caught up. But thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.